guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload images in Canva. Now once you're inside your Canva design, in order to upload your own images to the Canva, you can simply look towards the left hand side and find the upload icon. You can click on upload section here, and from here you want to go ahead and choose images. You have three options: audio, you can upload audio as well, video, and images. So you simply choose images, and you can easily go ahead and click the upload button here at the top. Or you can simply find your file explorer, find where you have the images on your PC, and simply drag and drop those images. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just use the click upload button here at the top, and once I click on that, you see it also open the file explorer. I click on the image, I click on upload, and you will see it quickly go ahead and upload this image. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Once you have that image upload, you can add it to whatever you want. So I'm going to just quickly create a new page here and just simply drag this image right onto this as well. You can drag it, or you can simply click it, and it's going to put it onto that page that you select. And you can always resize it and move it around, whatever you want to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.